Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon, my dear students. Again, we are going to have a lecture, and the topic is today internet security. But before I start my lecture on the said topic, I hope and I pray that you all must be taking maximum benefits of this pious and sacred month of Ramadan. My advice and my sincere request is, when you make dua for yourself, for your family, for your relatives, please do not forget entire humanity, because you know that human beings are passing through a very difficult situation. So it is our bounden duty to make dua for every citizen, not only the citizens of India, rather we can say the whole world. We should make dua for entire humanity. Yes. Now, as I told you just now, the topic is very interesting: internet security. In the beginning, I would like to tell you that nobody had imagined, when the internet was launched, that one day this particular problem will crop up, because very few computers were connected with the network. You know, the internet is a vast network, huge network, with billions of computers connected with each other. So what I was telling you, when internet was launched, nobody had imagined that the problem of security will also come up one day. So what happened, the moment you see the internet is started being used for financial transaction, try to understand my point, for e-shopping, for e-commerce, when money is involved, when the transaction of money is done, the problem started coming. The second part is very important: when the data assumed significance. With the passage of time, I have already given a lecture before this, that now data has assumed significance and importance. And you know, data is related to all. So certain data is very confidential in nature, very secretive in nature, like defense data. So countries, you know, they take utmost care for the security of this kind of data. But people are there who try to hack those data, try to steal the information, the data. So this is basically the introductory part of internet security, how the problem comes up and what were the issues. But still, we can counter these problems to a larger extent. We can say solution. As far as solution is concerned, the first solution is that when you are working in a network, say, try to understand. Say for example, in your home PC, standalone machine is there. Without any internet connectivity, there will not be any problem, I tell you. Problem when you are getting connected to internet, and when you are using internet, then you will be prone to this particular problem. So for that, what happened? The installation of firewalls is done. Say you are a part of a larger network. So what happened, in the server of the organization, or server of the institute, or server of the big corporate sector, they install a software, a program which is known as firewalls. These are softwares only and very easy to very easy to install. These works on background silently. And what happened? The task of the firewalls is to prevent unauthorized access from any external source. So what happened? These are installed, and say for example, somebody wants to intrude in the network. So what happened? These firewalls prevent that unauthorized access. One of the firewalls, famous firewalls, is PC Conceal software. PC Conceal it is known as PC Conceal. As I told you, firewalls are also a kind of application program. The second part is that installation of antivirus software. That is also a must. Say you are downloading and uploading lots of files. So always our system is prone to some attacks, some threats. So in case you are installing on your PC some antivirus program, perhaps problem will not be there, or you can say it will be reduced to a maximum level. Many antivirus softwares are there. Norton is there, then McAfee is there, then Avira is there. Certain licensed softwares are there, antivirus, and some softwares are demo version of the softwares are also available on internet free of cost. When you are working in an organization, it is always advisable to buy software, antivirus software, so that it can give you a kind of foolproof security to your system. The third solution is that you can also block mails, spam. You can block. Yes, as I told you in the beginning, that in case you are working standalone without any internet connectivity, there will be no problem. Yes, when your computer is connected to internet, it means that you are going to send the mails, you are going to receive the mail. Most of the malicious, you see, mails which are suspected, you can block those mails, because every email service provider is giving that facility to block the mail. So in case you are having any suspicion about the mail, you can block that particular mail. And you see, once you block the mail, definitely you will not be receiving those kind of mails which are suspicious and malicious. The fourth issue is that through authentication also. You see, when you are saving your file, you must you must protect it, because file contains data. When sensitive data is there, there is a provision for authentication. You can encrypt the file with the password, with the user, with the password. And you see, when you are going to assign the password, don't use password like your name, your nickname, your date of birth, your place, because these are prone to be hacked. You see, you should assign a strong password. Nowadays software are there. When you start giving the password, software will tell you this is the strong password, or not a very strong password. Like this, they will alarm you also. You can use some certain hyphens also in order to give the secure password or a strong password. In this way, you can counter to some extent. I tell you, to maximum extent, rather not to some extent, maximum extent internet problem. I can also tell you, remember my students, there is no foolproof security program as well as internet security is concerned. and you must have also listened my lecture. There are types of you see attentions which are required. First, that you need to protect your PC or device which you are using. The second, which is basically the administrator does, that is the on the server of the organization, on the server of the institute, on the server of the corporate sector, they install the this firewall. In this way you can have the solutions with regard to internet security. Now please, as I I asked you earlier, please tell me the feedbacks of the video lecture, and also let me know if you have any problem. हमने पहले भी आपसे ये बात कही है कि अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो इसको लाइक करें और शेयर करें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा। लोग लॉकडाउन के अंदर अभी तक फंसे हुए हैं, आप जानते हैं सिचुएशन तो इस तरह की है, तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक ये वीडियो पहुँचे। और आखिर में हम आपसे ये बात बता रहे हैं कि जिन लोगों ने असाइनमेंट अभी तक जमा नहीं किए हैं वो असाइनमेंट ज़रूर जमा कर दें, क्योंकि वो डिपार्टमेंट से कांटेक्ट करें, उनसे पूछें कि ये कितने नंबर का असाइनमेंट है, उससे आपको जो है उसके मैग्नीट्यूड का अंदाज़ा लग जाएगा। हमारी दुआएं आपके साथ हैं। उम्मीद है कि आप जो है वो अच्छी तरह से सारी खैरियत से रह रहे होंगे। हमारा सलाम अपने घरों पे भी अगर आप पहुंच गए हैं तो कह दीजिए सबसे, और आपसे भी हम दुआओं की दरख्वास्त कर रहे हैं, आपके घर वालों से भी दुआओं की दरख्वास्त कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। खुदा हाफिज़।